Today, we're discussing a topic that every truck driver and motor carrier needs to know about: DOT inspection requests. Whether you're new to the transportation industry or a seasoned pro, understanding this process is crucial for keeping your operation smooth and compliant. So what exactly is a DOT inspection? Well, the Department of Transportation conducts these inspections to ensure that all commercial vehicles on the road are safe and up to standard. It's all about making sure that trucks, drivers, and companies are following federal regulations, which helps keep our roads safe for everyone. There are different levels of DOT inspections, ranging from a simple check of paperwork to more detailed inspections of the vehicle itself. During an inspection, officials may look at things like your driver's license, logs, vehicle maintenance records, and safety equipment. They might also perform a thorough examination of the truck, checking brakes, lights, tires, and more. Now, you might be wondering, what triggers a DOT inspection request? Inspections can happen at weigh stations, during roadside checks, or even at your place of business. Sometimes they're random, but often they're prompted by specific concerns, like a history of violations, or if the vehicle looks unsafe. The key to passing these inspections is preparation. Make sure your paperwork is in order. This includes having your registration, insurance, and driving logs up to date. Regular vehicle maintenance is also essential. Keep an eye on things like tire pressure, brake conditions, and lights. These small checks can prevent big headaches down the road. It's important to remember that DOT inspections are not something to fear. They're designed to help improve safety and compliance, which benefits everyone on the road. By staying prepared and informed, you can make the inspection process a breeze. For those who find the paperwork and regulations overwhelming, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. We're the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, assisting motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Our team knows the ins and outs of the process and can help make sure your operations meet all federal standards. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and insights from the world of transportation. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth ride on America's highways. Until next time, stay safe and keep on trucking.